Let's continue our practice number 2. Now we have sample number 3. This one, drawing number 3. So it has a lot of circles, small, big ones. Now let's count big circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think there is another one also, 5. The biggest one, this one. So it will be the center of these 4 small circles. So that's why we need to build the 5 bigger circles, and then we need to find location of these 4 small circles. Start drawing. Now also I wanted to use the same trick, putting the sample here and draw it here. For this, as you know, I will open the folder and just drop it. But let's how can I say, measure the size of our drawing first. The biggest radius is 26, so diagram will be 52. So let's put 52 millimeters line. So this is, and make it bigger and put it right. I think this is normal. This is normal. Yeah. And just this is normal. Yeah. Just put the sample on the left side. Drop it. Now we need to enter page number 2. Starting of file, size, almost half of our workplace, and rotation 0 degrees. Done. We can delete it. Now we need to start drawing. Let's build the biggest unshown circle. Diameter is 52, but the radius is 26. Now it's asking 26 radius. Now put 26. If we want to put another circle, we need to know the center of this circle. But without snapping, without snaps, we couldn't know the center of this circle. That's why turn on this snapping tool, center, or you can just put from annotation block center mark, and then now you can see the center of this circle. Let's put smaller ones. First 22 and a half, and then 11, 14 and 11, no, 17, 14, 11 millimeters. 22 and a half. Now I want to use circle tool again, so that's why I'm pressing spacebar. 17, spacebar again, 14, spacebar again, 11. Done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have all circles that we need. Now we need to find location of these 4 small circles. For this, we should know that the circle consists of like 360 degrees, so that's why we need to divide this number to 4. So let's use quick calculator now. I know the answer is like 90. Let's use divide 4, 90 as we know. So it's located far to 90 degrees, all these small circles, but it's located, I think, 45 degrees far from this the lines, the center mark. That's why we need to put these four circles in this place. So we need to know the location of center these circles. So that's why we need to rotate this center mark to 45 degrees, 45 degrees for rotating the selected item. Just select the item and then use rotate tool, rotate tool, choose it, and then the point of rotating, I will use midpoint. Just press 45. Done. Now we know the center of these small circles. Let's put them. The small one is radius 2.5 millimeters. Bigger one is 6 millimeters. Small one, 2.5 millimeters. Again, 6 millimeters. So here we need to do some modifying with this big circle, because it's connected smoothly to this circle. So that's why we need to use the trim tool, trim tool to do this kind of stuff. Not trim. Oh, sorry. Fillet tool, fillet tool. So how to use it? First of all, choose the fillet tool from command table. You need to choose radius, and then the size of radius. In our case, let's see the radius. It's 7 millimeters, so we need to put 7 millimeters. Done. And we need to select two lines, this line, this line. Okay, let's do the same thing in other side. Fillet, radius, radius now automatically 7 millimeters. Just select the oh sorry, we need to choose the 7. Now we need to select. So here it's a little bit weird to see, so let's delete extra lines. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, these two also. While you're deleting these lines, make sure it is this kind of mistakes. It's not easy to see while you zoom out, but while you zoom in you can see it. So that's why trim smartly, cleverly. Done. So as you can see, we built one side of our sample, so we need to build 4. If you want to draw them one by one, it takes a little bit time. Like sometimes you can draw them one by one. Maybe you want to practice, but when you are hurry, when you want to save your time, just use the option mirror tool. How to use it? As we know, now we already know the center of this one circle, so we don't need this circle. And then look what to do. We need to mirror this one to 4 sides. We need to center mark this center mark in another rotation in 90 degrees. Let's rotate it again. Select it, use rotation, rotation, and then just use 45 degrees again. Oh, sorry, I didn't choose the starting point. Let's do it again. Select it, rotate, start, the midpoint is center, and then just use 45. Done. So another one is, let's trim all these lines. Done. And then just mirror this side to four parts of our sample. Selecting, select all of them. As you see, mirror, point of mirroring, just rotate it a little bit, press 2 times enter. Now we need to mirror it to upper side. We don't need to mirror this center mark, so that's why accept it, mirror it, midpoint, rotate, choose the selection, enter. As you can see, I did a mistake. I don't have this part of this line, so just you can choose this one and then mirror it again. Yes, done. Okay, this is our sample, and then this is our drawing. So as you can see, exact same stuff. So putting dimensions and decorating is assignment for you. Good luck, guys.